I thought bringing extra iPhone cases to New Zealand would be smart, but halfway through the trip, I realized I made a mistake. I didn't just bring one case, I brought way too many. This is the story of a trip through New Zealand where I tested one thing the entire time: iPhone cases. And somehow, it changed how I shot everything. I did not go to New Zealand just to travel. I wanted to see if iPhone cases actually matter when you're filming real life. So I packed different cases for different situations. It sounded smart at the time. It wasn't.
I carried the black silicone case because it's classic and I just want to test it, what it looks like when hiking.
The second I landed, everything felt unreal, and I did what I always do. I started filming.
Welcome to New Zealand!
First decision: which case sets the tone for the entire trip? Day 1. I started switching cases depending on where I was going. Hiking, rugged case.
Look at this moss right here. Oh my god. Look it. Wow. We're almost at the shelter. We're on top of the mountain, guys. We still have to pack the open case here.
Getting ready to head out.
7 hours.
City, clean aesthetic case. waterfalls grip case. At this point, it felt like I had a system. But I didn't realize I was creating a problem.
So I decided to wear the tech woven in sienna instead today.
By day 4, things got annoying. I wasn't thinking about the view anymore. I was thinking about cases. I started missing moments just to switch setups. That's when it hit me. I brought too many. But even with the chaos, New Zealand kept getting better.
Oh, this is perfect.
And every case changed how I captured it. One made everything feel cinematic. One made everything feel real. Halfway through the trip, I stopped switching cases. I realized something simple. No one watching my videos cared what case I was using. They cared about the moment.
Hi, friend.
So I picked up one and I stuck with it.
You look like Garfield. Why are you so big?
The rest of the trip felt different. Less switching, more filming. Less planning, more living. So did I need all those iPhone cases? No. But did they change how I saw New Zealand? Yeah. In a weird way, they did. Sometimes the gear distracts you, but sometimes it helps you notice more. If I went back, I'd bring one case and just film the moment.